KRIYA Yoga. You know, KRIYA Yoga is a form of yoga that emphasizes the practice of pranayama, meditation and self-realization. The practice of KRIYA Yoga is designed to bring about a deeper awareness and understanding of the self, as well as to enhance physical health and spiritual growth. The origins of KRIYA Yoga are rooted in the ancient Indian texts such as Yoga Sutras of Patanjali and the Bhagavad Gita. However, KRIYA Yoga as it is known today was popularized by the Indian yogi and guru Paramahansa Yogananda in his book Autobiography of a Yogi. In Sutras 2.46 to 2.48, Patanjali describes the importance of a steady and comfortable physical posture for meditation, which is a key aspect of KRIYA Yoga. Sutra 2.49 emphasizes the importance of controlling the breath, another key practice in KRIYA Yoga. Sutras 2.50 to 2.53 describe the practice of pranayama in more detail, including breath retention and exhalation techniques, which are essential components of KRIYA Yoga. Additionally, Sutras 1.33 and 2.1 to 2.9 describe the role of meditation and concentration in attaining the state of yoga or union with the self. This aspect of the practice is also emphasized in KRIYA Yoga. Overall, while the term KRIYA Yoga may not be explicitly mentioned in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, the principles and practices associated with KRIYA Yoga are present throughout the text, emphasizing the importance of physical postures, breath control, and meditation in attaining the state of yoga. In simple terms, yoga means union. The term KRIYA Yoga is not explicitly mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. However, there are several passages that describe the principles and practices associated with KRIYA Yoga. In chapter 4, verses 29 and 30, Lord Krishna describes the importance of performing actions without attachment to their fruits, a concept known as Karma Yoga. This idea of acting without attachment is also a key principle of KRIYA Yoga, as the practice emphasizes the purification of the mind and detachment from the worldly desires. In chapter 6, verses 10 to 15, Lord Krishna discusses the practice of yoga, including the importance of a steady posture and breath control, which are key aspects of KRIYA Yoga. In chapter 9, verse 2, Lord Krishna describes the supreme secret of yoga as the knowledge of the self. This concept of self-realization is central goal of KRIYA Yoga. Overall, while the term KRIYA Yoga is not specifically mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita, the principles and practices associated with KRIYA Yoga are present throughout the text, emphasizing the importance of detachment, steady posture, breath control, and self-realization in attaining the state of yoga. Paramahansa Yogananda's book Autobiography of a Yogi is a spiritual classic that has had a significant impact on the popularity of KRIYA Yoga in the West. In the book, Yogananda describes KRIYA Yoga as a comprehensive spiritual path that includes various techniques for achieving self-realization. According to Yogananda, KRIYA Yoga is a technique for purifying the body and mind and awakening the spiritual energy known as Kundalini. The practice involves a specific sequence of pranayama techniques, including breath retention and visualization, which are designed to activate the chakras and clear the nadis in the body. In addition to pranayama, KRIYA Yoga also includes meditation, which helps to still the mind and access deeper states of awareness. The practice is considered to be highly effective in bringing about spiritual growth and self-realization, and is said to lead to states of deep peace, bliss, and oneness with the divine. In the book, Yogananda emphasizes the importance of a qualified teacher or guru in guiding the practitioner through the practice of Kriya Yoga. He also emphasizes the need for discipline, devotion, and self-effort in order to achieve the full benefits of the practice. Overall, Autobiography of a Yogi presents Kriya Yoga as a powerful and transformative spiritual path that has the potential to bring about profound spiritual growth and self-realization. In Kriya Yoga, the practitioner uses a specific sequence of pranayama techniques, including breath retention and visualization, to purify the body and mind and awaken the spiritual energy known as Kundalini. The practice also involves meditation, which helps to still the mind and access deeper states of awareness. Kriya Yoga is known for its emphasis on the role of the guru or teacher in guiding the practitioner through the practice and facilitating their spiritual growth. It is considered a powerful and transformative form of yoga capable of leading the practitioner to states of deep peace, bliss, and self-realization. Origin of Kriya Yoga. I have already told you about the essence of Kriya Yoga in Patanjali Yoga Sutras and Bhagavad Gita, but what was the real origin of Kriya Yoga? The origins of Kriya Yoga are not entirely clear, as the practice has evolved over time and has been influenced by various spiritual traditions. However, Kriya Yoga is generally believed to have its roots in ancient India and is associated with the teachings of the yoga master Babaji Nagaraj. According to legend, Babaji is an immortal yogi who has been guiding spiritual seekers for thousands of years. He is said to have imparted the teachings of Kriya Yoga to various disciples over the centuries, including the 19th century yoga master Lahari Mahasaya. Lahari Mahasaya is widely considered to be the modern founder of Kriya Yoga, as he was responsible for spreading the teachings of Babaji to a wider audience in India and beyond. He taught Kriya Yoga to his disciples, including the famous yogi and author Paramahansa Yogananda, who later introduced the practice to the West through his book Autobiography of a Yogi. Since then, Kriya Yoga has continued to evolve and has been taught by various teachers and organizations around the world. Today, it is widely regarded as a powerful spiritual practice that can lead to profound transformation and self-realization. Can female practice Kriya Yoga? And the answer is yes. Both men and women can practice Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is a spiritual practice that is accessible to all individuals, regardless of gender or background. The techniques and principles of Kriya Yoga are designed to purify the body and mind and to awaken the spiritual energy that lies within all human beings. In fact, there have been many female practitioners of Kriya Yoga throughout history, including disciples of Lahiri Mahasaya and Paramahansa Yogananda. Some of these female practitioners have even gone on to become Kriya Yoga teachers themselves, spreading the teachings of this powerful practice to others. It is important to know that some traditional spiritual lineages may have certain cultural or societal expectations around gender roles or spiritual practice. However, Kriya Yoga itself does not discriminate based on gender, and the practice can be adapted to suit the needs and preferences of individual practitioners. So what are the benefits of practicing Kriya Yoga? Kriya Yoga is a spiritual practice that offers many potential benefits for the body, mind, and spirit. Some of the key benefits of Kriya Yoga include: Number 1. Increased awareness and self-realization. Kriya Yoga helps to quiet the mind and access deeper states of awareness, leading to greater self-knowledge and a deeper understanding of one's true nature. Number 2. Reduced stress and anxiety. The practice of Kriya Yoga has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a greater sense of calm and inner peace. Number 3. Improved physical health. The pranayama techniques of Kriya Yoga can help to increase lung capacity, improve circulation, and boost the immune system, leading to improved physical health. Number 4. Enhanced mental clarity and focus. Kriya Yoga can help to improve mental clarity and focus, making it easier to concentrate and achieve goals. Number 5. Greater spiritual connection. The practice of Kriya Yoga can lead to a deeper connection with the divine and a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. Number 6. Increased energy and vitality. The practice of Kriya Yoga can help to increase energy levels and promote overall vitality, leading to a greater sense of well-being and vitality. Number 7. Improve emotional regulations. Kriya Yoga can help to regulate emotions and promote a greater sense of emotional balance and stability. Overall, Kriya Yoga is a powerful spiritual practice that offers many potential benefits for individuals seeking to deepen their connection with themselves and the world around them. The practice of Kriya Yoga typically involves several key steps or processes. These may vary depending on the specific tradition or lineage of Kriya Yoga being practiced, but here is a general outline of the process. Number 1. Preparation. Before beginning the practice of Kriya Yoga, it is important to prepare the body and mind through various cleansing and purifying practices such as asana, pranayama, and meditation. Number 2. Initiation. In some traditions, initiations from a qualified Kriya Yoga teacher or guru is required to begin the practice. This initiation typically involves receiving a specific Kriya Yoga technique or set of techniques which are designed to purify the body and mind and awaken the spiritual energy known as Kundalini. Many people think that Kundalini awakening is the final stage in spirituality, but it is only the initial phase in the spiritual process. Number 3. Practice of Kriya techniques. The heart of the practice of Kriya Yoga is the regular practice of specific Kriya techniques, which typically involve a sequence of pranayama techniques, including breath retention and visualization. These techniques are designed to activate the chakra and clear the nadis in the body, allowing the Kundalini energy to rise through the central channel. Number 4. Meditation. The practice of Kriya Yoga also involves regular meditation, which helps to still the mind and access deeper states of awareness. In some traditions, specific meditation techniques are taught to complement the Kriya Yoga techniques. Number 5. Self-study. The practice of Kriya Yoga also involves a commitment to self-study and self-reflection, as well as the cultivation of virtues such as devotion, compassion, and humility. Number 6. Integration. Finally, the practice of Kriya Yoga is intended to be integrated into daily life with the aim of bringing about greater spiritual growth, self-realization, and inner peace. Along with these practices, you must start helping the needy ones. Start being thankful for everything you have. For example, you can thank to God that you are still alive. Before having any food, thank God for the food. Even for the simple things happening in your life, you must be thankful for that. Overall, the practice of Kriya Yoga is a comprehensive spiritual path that involves a combination of techniques and practices designed to awaken the spiritual energy within and bring about profound transformation and self-realization. In conclusion, Kriya Yoga is a powerful spiritual practice with a long history and a rich tradition. It offers many potential benefits for individuals seeking to deepen their spiritual connection, improve their physical and mental health, and cultivate greater awareness and inner peace. The practice of Kriya Yoga involves a combination of techniques and practices, including pranayama, meditation, and self-study that are designed to awaken the spiritual energy known as Kundalini and promote greater self-realization and spiritual growth. While the specifics of Kriya Yoga may vary depending on the tradition or lineage, the essence of the practice remains the same: to purify the body and mind, awaken the spiritual energy within, and ultimately attain union with the divine. Thank you for watching this video on Kriya Yoga. We hope that you have found this information helpful and informative. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about Kriya Yoga, please feel free to do your own research or seek out a qualified Kriya Yoga teacher or guru. Remember, the practice of Kriya Yoga is a powerful tool for spiritual growth and self-realization, but it should be approached with humility, dedication, and respect. At last, I would like to recommend you this book, Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you all the best on your spiritual journey.